Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. As you know, my three cousins are here. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I need subscribers, so please subscribe to me and to them channel. So we're here in the Dubai Festival City where we're gonna watch the fireworks any moment. The fireworks should be coming right now, and hopefully I will see you in Dubai, because I'm still in Dubai. You will see me. Oh look bro, the fireworks are about to begin, bro. Any minute now. Any minute bro. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Any minute now.
Any minute now. Wow. Any minute. Should start any minute. Whoa! Oh wow! Oh wow, wow! Oh my goodness, bro! Wow! Oh wow! Wow! Oh wow! 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 Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh wow! 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 Oh my goodness! You should come to Dubai, everybody, because these fireworks are so amazing, bro! Wow! See there?
Subscribe to us.
See the fireworks. Oh my goodness, bro. I'll just turn the camera. Oh wow, bro. Wow.
Oh, there's a high one.
There's a high one. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh wow. Wow.
Green on the ball. Yellow. Fill it up. Green, filling the sky.
Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my cousin's channel. Look that high one, bro. Wow. These are the ending fireworks. Wow. To my YouTube channel, guys, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. Khuda Hafiz, and I'll see you later, everyone. Khuda Hafiz, everyone. Peace.